So it's been raining for several days and we have tons and tons of rain in the forecast. But I noticed that my corn is all dried up and I'm ready to pick it, and I wanted to see while we have a break in the rain. Whew. Right, this is my first time growing corn, so I was very curious to see what it looks like. Some of these I hand pollinated and some of these I didn't, so we will see. Look! Wow, that is better than I expected. Wow, I did not think it was going to produce that much. I thought the whole thing was going to be kind of spotty like up here. That is very exciting. Now I'm just going to wait until the rest of these are done and I will pick some more. Happy gardening!